Good morning, everybody. It's D. Murph, and we got a treat for you. This is our trip to Dubai. We got me and Mr. Chris here hanging out in the room, and Priya's with us. What's that, Bubba? What are you saying? What are you saying?
Oh my God.
And that is what he's looking at right here. You guys might have seen this before. And you gotta keep going up because it is the world's tallest building. All the way to the tippy tip. Right outside of the Dubai Mall. This place is insanely packed. Ooh. Yeah? We found an amazing restaurant. A co-worker recommended it, and he is so right. Hallab. And Priya, what do you think so far?
So good, authentic, and really tasty.
And Priya found a relative, family member here in Dubai as well, Jenny. Hello, Jenny. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Actually, I'm very happy to meet you all.
Yeah.
Good time.
And she's giving us so many tips about what to try. Much needed. Much needed. So we have a great spread here. It's a little hummus with chicken shawarma. So amazing in this bread right here. You dip it and you wrap it in. It tastes like a little bit of cinnamon in there. And then for the main course, we got a full grill right here. We had some chicken and meat, and then there's a lamb chop under here. There we go. Not enough food at all. And then Priya has a regular grill. Oh, and I heard something about a view. Dubai right outside. Dinner was awesome. Of course, we have to do dessert with some Arabic tea over here. And this is knafan. Probably just tore that name up. And it's cheese with some honey poured over and served with Arabic bread. So we're going to get right into this, see how it is.
Cheers!
Yay! The Dubai Aquarium. And yes, that is a shark. And yes, this is in a mall. Look at the size of that fish tank. More like a fish house. Whoa.
Look at how many teeth it has.
There's a lot of those. Whoa. Oh, Bubba's getting into it. He's got his curious eyes. Oh. He's waving at you. And what has captivated Chris at the Dubai Aquarium? Glass catfish. They're tiny and you can see right through them, and they love hanging out. Oh my
He's
goodness.
smiling at this thing.
That is a massive alligator. Look at this thing.
Okay, just.
There's Chris, there's massive alligator. Check out the scratches on the windows. Yeah. I don't know if he's happy in there or if someone drew on the outside.
Yeah, he definitely scratches the windows, trying to get out.
When in Dubai, it's all about the sweets. Look at that milkshake. Part of the reason why I came here is because it looks truly epic. Priya's face when I came out, you'd think like she got the best Christmas present. You think she got a baby Chris too. But yeah, we're trying out fun shakes from Mo Vlogs. My shake has a donut on it. Isn't that epic? That's one heck of a way to do it. So this is lunch and dinner right here. And maybe midnight snack too. Wow, we're gonna enjoy this. And oh yeah, the fries were amazing. Thin and crispy. Chris's milk, on point, but not good enough to finish.
Here's your shake. Here's your shake.
He's liking what's on the table. He just looked at the shake. All right, we're gonna enjoy. So we have landed in the middle of Wonderland that Alice went to. There's your Cheshire cat in a different getup. This place, by the way, is in the middle of a desert. They call it the Miracle Gardens in Dubai. And Priya is just having the time of her life with her camera. Ah! And the baby's loving it too. These massive horses greet you as you walk in. What in the world is going on here? Look at this. All made out of flowers. So Priya's next house.
I can live here. Yes.
Yeah, right there. Oh, so cute. Hello, everybody. We're at Aprons and Hammers. Love the name. Seafood restaurant at Mer Beach, which is an awesome place. If you're ever in Dubai, go.
Gorgeous here.
Feel like just raise your pinky a little bit, but it's casual too. Raise pinky with a casual spirit. And we have some red curry over here for Priya. Oh, it smells
curry with
pretty
fish.
tasty, yeah. And then, of course, how to do a lasagna. So there's a seafood lasagna. Well, guys, we're coming to the end here, and you can tell it's pretty good. And with this lasagna, it's kind of like one of those creamy white lasagnas. It's really creamy with a special sauce. And they have some salmon and shrimp and lobster. It's really, really outstanding. And they used a basil like baked in there and some fresh basil, which complemented it perfectly. Thumbs way up. This restaurant has also like earned the best seafood restaurant several years running. And Priya is just chowing down over here.
Oh, it's divine.
Divine. They've mastered the spices with the fish curry.
Oh, so
I can agree, that's mind blowing. And then Chris over here is
he has his milk.
Doing his thing. And that concludes lunch. Outstanding. Cha 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 cha. Right, we're back at the Dubai Mall. We seem to be coming here every day. There's so much to do at the Dubai Mall, like Burj Khalifa viewing experience and whatnot. I'm just enjoying some Middle Eastern food.
This is a chicken wrap from a place. Gunaydin.
Let's just slaughter that word.
Really, really good. It's hot wrap with veggies. So, trying something new.
They made a chicken sandwich. Looks like it's made out of pita bread. Pretty tasty. I like that. But there's so many different food choices. Like I was a little worried about coming here, what we're gonna eat. We have tons of American options and then a lot of different Middle Eastern restaurants too.
But it comes with French fries. So.
And the price isn't too bad. Most of our meals, fast ones, are like $20, $25. And then there's the Grill Shack right over there. We're gonna have to try that before we leave. Looks like they make some pretty epic burgers, ribs, steaks. Yeah. Well, we're gonna get to our food. All right, guys, this is life with a baby. He got us through the line super fast. And then what did he do?
Stop crying.
He stopped crying and then he threw up all over Priya and on the floor right as soon as we got through. But we are going to see the Burj Khalifa. This is a model of it. Very nice, very cool. Does this look familiar? That is the fountain down below. And that is the Dubai Mall. That bridge we were standing next to is right there. And that is where we were watching the show. We decided to go to the top of the Burj Khalifa. It is so epic up here. You've seen a lot. What are your thoughts?
I can get used to this view. We looked up apartments.
No, she can't. No, she can't get used to this view.
Okay, listen, we can have the same space that we have in Texas here, just for $1,000 more.
Yeah, just promise me you'll pay for your dreams and we'll think about it. Those cars became tiny little ants in the middle of a giant mixmaster. That's what these are like from on top. And you can barely see the world islands over here. So that is a bunch of islands man-made that are shaped just like the world. You can't see them out today because it's a little bit cloudy, but that is just some of the epic things they do in Dubai. A whole entire globe on the ocean. And all the way out there, that's the palm, one of the palms. You can barely see in the distance, it's kind of a foggy day. And then there is an iconic hotel right there in the middle. That's that one with the helicopter pad on top and where you see like the tennis players and everything. Amazing. And that tiny little piece of land is that area we went to with the really good crab restaurant. I think that's it right there. They have some man-made beaches and a bunch of restaurants and shops. Amazing views at the top.
Somebody really is enjoying being on top of the world right now.
He's like, I'm the boss, baby. Where are we, Priya?
Here on a yacht, going on a cruise.
And you're probably wondering what is up with food, why are we on a yacht, and what has to do with food? We're making a barbecue today. Yep, barbecue's on the menu.
Check out this view. We're on the yacht. There's my husband. Hey, baby. It's the Miami of the UAE, right?
That's right. That's right.
I think our son is enjoying his first cruise.
It's the Murphy in the seawater. This is called. Coming up on our final destination, that's Atlantis. We're at the very tip of the palm and then we'll turn around. Now this is my kind of barbecuing. Ocean barbecue. Chicken burger is on point. This is amazing. It's like ground chicken, with spices inside. Yum. Bye.